be a forester, run through the moss on high heels. That's what I'll do. Throwing out a boomerang, waiting for it to come back to me. When I grow up, I want to live near the sea, crab claws and